Imagine yourself in this 2000 Chevrolet Blazer Lieutenant. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include heated mirrors, intermittent wipers, driver vanity mirror, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo, passenger illuminated visor mirror, automatic headlights, and rear defrost. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.